Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account. This lets you change the taskbar. Once confirmed, open Start, type Settings, and press Enter. In Settings, go to Personalization. This is where Taskbar controls live. Make a quick restore point or note current options so you can revert if needed. Now, click Taskbar on the left. Make sure to observe current behaviors. These steps put you straight into control, so you can remove or hide the taskbar safely without guessing. Once inside taskbar settings, decide whether to auto-hide or remove icons. Turn on auto-hide to make the taskbar retract when not in use. This effectively removes it from view. Next, open taskbar corner overflow and turn off each icon you don't want to appear. Also toggle taskbar items like Search, Task View, Widgets off. If you need deeper removal, right-click Taskbar, open Taskbar Settings, and disable System Icons. This reduces clutter and keeps the bar out of sight. You're nearly done. Test auto-hide by moving the cursor to the screen edge, then away, make sure the bar retracts. If icons still show, restart Explorer. EXE in Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, find Windows Explorer, restart. If problems persist, reboot to apply changes or use the restore point you made earlier. As a final troubleshooting step, create a new admin profile to see if settings are user-specific. This completes the removal process and gives you one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.